Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the momentum adjusted moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the momentum adjusted moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 27 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We have also tested a total of 396 indicators with a total of 161 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 161 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the momentum adjusted moving average. And you can see it here on screen. So I did take it from being up here in price action, and I moved it to a new pane down below. So if you click on the line here, these dots pull up. If you right click, you can go to move to. So we can do existing pane above. If I right click it again, now it gives me the option to move to a new pane below or a new pane above. So I just went new pane below there. And the setup on this is pretty easy. When the moving average turns green, we're going to go long. When it turns red, we're going to go short. I do believe, looking at it, is that when it goes red, price action is below the moving average, and when it goes green, it's above the moving average. And so it's very similar to the price action break that we test on a lot of the other moving averages. But nonetheless, that is what we are looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with it and see what we can get. So right here on that one, we pick up the first signal there. That is going to be a long signal. We stayed within our stop, and we were able to get to take profit. So far, doing pretty decent. Go ahead and continue forward here. Looks like we get a quick signal there, quick clip to the red side, downside. Unfortunately, that's one's not going to work out for us. And then almost immediately we get a long. Let's double check this. Looks like we were able to barely squeeze out take profit on that long before it then flips and goes to red there on that one. Go ahead and play it forward a little bit more. We might have gotten stopped out here. Ooh, it is really close, but we barely missed getting stopped out. And we do get another winner there for a short signal there. Let's go ahead and continue to play this forward some. Right about here, we pick up a long. See here, stays within our stop, and it does get us to take profit. So again, moving along nicely here, we pick up a short right about there. Looks like price action just kind of rides to the side for a ways. Let's double check this here. Right about to there. Looks like we stay within price or within our stop, and we do get to take profit. So another decent signal there. Doing all right. Looks like we might run into some problems here as we get ourselves chopped in and out of a few trades here. So there's a short there for just a moment, or actually a long, then it flips to a short on the next candle, then immediately back to another long. Double check that one more time. Looks like we barely miss getting take profit on that one. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and cut out some of the video, that way this doesn't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, we are at the end of the year. Now, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up for the Patreon, sign up to be a patron, then you will get access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform, so if you use the MT platform quite a bit, that'd be a very handy list for you to have. Our admins and regular members are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And one last thing that I've been doing recently is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so you will get the Excel sheet, the Excel list, shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, has our win rates, as well as a link to the video to go back and view the video on that strategy. And so you'll get that, as well as the full list of indicators that we have tested, which shows exactly which ones were winners and which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And so a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. It is really super cheap. I highly recommend it. All right, so back to the indicator here. Let's go ahead, get everything kind of in focus here. Let's add these up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So we have 25 signals altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 winners. And so unfortunately, that one's not going to meet the 60% criteria. It's a shame. It was doing really decent until we hit this area of kind of consolidation here, where things just kind of got pinballed in and out. And same old story like happens with a lot of moving averages. A single line type indicator that interacts with price action is that you get these pinball type moments where the price action goes sideways in consolidation and you just get bounced in and out of trades, taking losing trade after losing trade. So as you can see, that cluster right there of all those losing trades really was the nail in the coffin for this one. So this one's gonna go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.